What's up, guys? So today in this video I'll be teaching you all how to use a leak down tester. So I bought this leak down tester off of Amazon, and I'll be showing you guys how to use it today on this Toro recycler mower. So first you will need a 13/16 a ratchet, an extension. You would need something that at least 8 inches, a stick, a rod, anything like that. You would need your leak down tester, and you would need an air compressor. So first what you want to do is you want to grab your 3/8 ratchet and put it on the extension with your 13/16, and you want to take off the spark plug. What you want to do is you want to get your mower to a compression stroke or top dead center. So you want your piston to come all the way up to both of the valves, the intake and exhaust are closed. So what you want to do is you want to find something and you want to stick it into your cylinder. So I can feel that the piston is there. You want to pull your recoil until you feel your piston come all the way up. And there, it's top dead center. You want to open up your leak down tester, and you want to attach the correct fitting to your spark plug hole. You want to grab your leak down tester. Now the difference between a leak down tester and a pressure tester is with a pressure tester, you're testing the amount of pressure that goes into the cylinder. In a leak down tester, you're applying pressure to find where you have a leakage at in your system. So what you want to do is you want to plug up your air compressor. And you always want to make sure this is open down here. This pulls up and down. You always want to make sure it's open. And we're going to apply about 60-ish PSI. Or to where our needle is on 0. Now it's very sensitive, so you're going to be very calm with it. We want a little bit over 0 there. And you're going to put your fitting to your spark plug fitting. So this means you have a bad valve seat or a stuck spring. And sometimes these springs can get stuck open, which causes a bad leak. And you can see it goes higher and higher and higher. Shows that we have a worse and worse leak. So this is the end of the video, guys. This video was just based on how to show you guys how to use the leak down tester, and I will put the link in the description to this leak down tester that I bought off Amazon, and that'll be the end of this video.